Today we'll be making winter tree nature art. The supplies you'll need are a light blue piece of paper, glue that's either craft glue or hot glue, Q-tips, white paint, and various sticks and twigs. For the first step, you'll need to go outside and collect small twigs and sticks. Once you're back inside and ready to craft, lay out your piece of paper, and on that paper, lay your twigs in the design of a tree. Use a thicker stick to represent the base of the tree, and smaller, thinner twigs to be the branches. Now glue down all of your sticks. You can use bottle glue like I'm using, or you can use hot glue. Hot glue may work a little better, but bottle glue will be just fine. Give the glue time to completely dry before you move your art. Now use white paint and a Q-tip to dot snow around your paper. Use heavy dabs to make big snowflakes and lighter dabs to make smaller snowflakes. Make a lot of dots at the bottom of your paper for the ground. Here's me using lighter dabs to make smaller snowflakes in between my big snowflakes. You can even paint some on the tops of your twigs to make it look like snow on the tree. Hope you enjoyed making winter tree nature art.